Oh my God. Did you get one yet?
I've got it video.
You got one on your shoulder.
Colin, Autumn.
Oh my God. Take a picture, Aaron. Their tails are like claws.
Ah, I know, they are claws. Give him some more food. Hey, where's Colin? Oh, there he is. Autumn.
Colin, after you do it.
Heather, hold your hand out.
Jim's got plasma everywhere on me. Did the kids do it yet, Aaron?
No, they're scared. Colin ran off like he was being terrorized. Look at fear on his face.
Come here. Autumn, you feed him. Come here.
Autumn, Colin, come here. Feed him.
Oh, get away from me.
Throw it at their feet. Throw it at their feet and watch them.
Colin.
Autumn, stop! Come on! Autumn, get over here! That's because Mommy was throwing food at you guys.